Hello, so today I'm gonna show you my mini disc player which I have for 20 years and was like new when I buy it. I think from someone who travel abroad. It's not from Japan because it's writing in English, and I use kind of 2 or 3 years, and then it just sit for 15-16 years, but it's still working, you know. So it's on Panasonic with a very nice color. Okay, it's on this model SJ-MJ35. It's a very tiny and very slim. It is only player, not a recorder. So it has like this. This is a play and stop button, back and forward. Track, headphone jack with contact for remote. In this side it has door for battery, nickel metal hydride battery, and here it has contact and nut for case for battery. And in this one, in this side, it is where you can put the disc. Okay, it's still working very nice. I don't know if you can hear. And that's it. It's reading now. Very nice. It's working. It's not struggling to read. So and in the back, okay, it has a hold button and volume button. Okay, and of course, I left it for, I say to you, 15-17 years with battery inside. This is this was the battery inside. It's a Sony, and it's charging still, but not when player trying to read the disc, it restarts by itself, because it does not can provide any more sufficient current, and it's kind of inflated. I don't know if you can see but I tell you. And of course it develop oxide in here. I cleaned it almost perfect, and I buy this Chinese stick, and with this one it's working very nice. And what I have from those years, I have a case. It's a leather case, of course. It says here mini disc, portable media player, and this is for you put at your pant for letter strip, and in here it has I think not like this, yeah, like this. It has room for one mini disc. Okay, so this is room for a remote, and that's it. Okay, so I have the remote. This is the wire. This is the jack, and this is the remote. It's a fine remote. Only the remote shown those 2 or 3 years of use. You can see on this button. So we have here play mode, volume, play and stop, backward and forward. This is AQ, display, and this is for hold. And you see, now it's hold. It's not. It has some panel. It has some panel inside. Okay. This is for staying put, and this is headphone jack. And I have also the headphone from those years. Of course, it's an Panasonic headphone. And they are still working very nice. Only the right one, at when I go on the AQ and use extended bass, it makes some strange noise on the paper of the speaker. So, of course, as you can see, the right one, it's much longer wire than the left one, because wire going to the left of your body. And this is regular jack, and I have the battery case. Okay, it's an R6. This is for locking. This is contact. This was not have battery inside. And let's test it. I put some larger speaker to here. There are some AKG made by me from wireless headphone to the stationary headphone. You see, it has some button here in power and volume, but nothing works. Only in here I took out the electronics, but they sound very nice. So let's put in here. Okay, and so let's start again. Okay. Too much light. Okay, that's good. first track is not available. It's Celine Dion. Okay, so you have play mode, random, normal, repeat one, repeat all, and normal. Volume is till 25. Okay, this is number of track. This is battery, EQ. This is X bus. Okay, and this is display. Doesn't have melody, doesn't have a name, sorry. Okay, this is hold. I don't know. You see, let me, how cool is this? Let me okay, and let's see if hold from the back it works. No, it's not working. So when you put this remote, this hold is not working. Volume it's working, but not hold. Sorry, it's working. It has to be in the upper position. What? Okay. So this hold, it's only for keys from the player. You see? But not for keys in this. It's this is how it should be. Yeah. So that's it. Okay. Okay, bye. Oh, sorry. So you have another test to do. Let's stop this and take out this battery. Let's see if it's working with one R6 battery. Okay, so I take out the battery. Yeah, it's working. focus. Now it's focus. Let me take out the disc and put it again. Track. Yeah, it's working perfect. But this battery is new, so we have a free line, full line. Working great for so many years, you know. Okay, that's it, guys. Bye.